Okay, trigonometric basics required. These are the basics that are required. Ah, right, you right, because you never wrote. Na, for her she wrote actually. I will give that same basics only. So if in physics these basics are required, especially for physics. I will explain this again when we come for trigonometry. But in the meanwhile, for people to understand, and I will keep this trigonometric basics in ninth class lectures only. Why? Because people won't understand. Na? So trigonometric basics में first thing, always listen. As we did similar triangles, as we did congruence of triangles in our earlier classes, similarly trigonometric basics is also important. So what this trigonometry sin theta cos theta सब दिमाग फोड़ते रहते हैं ना. What it is actually nothing but there is one need which arised, okay, for a right angled triangle. Why right angled triangle everywhere? Because all the surfaces which are there on the earth are perpendicularly only made ना. ऐसे तेड़ा थोड़ी पड़ेगा. और yesterday we discuss थी रोमन क्लास में. हाँ वो एक बस ऐसे तेड़ा रहता है ऐसे. हाँ क्या है वो? Leaning Tower of Pisa. Leaning Tower of Pisa. What is it? Pisa. Pisa. Okay, that is Pisa. हाँ whatever. वो है ही है, मुझे पता है नाम. मुझे I can't that wrong words ना. Okay. That leaning tower of Pisa is there na. So how that it is angled? That is only angled structure. All your living houses are linear structures. Nowhere you can see bent structures. Okay, maximum houses all roads 90 degree. Divider straight में ऐसे रहता है. In the road it is exactly in the middle and the center. Even the road angle might bend like this. Okay, but it will always be in the center. So many structures which are symmetric always follow something known as trigonometric laws. So in the trigonometric laws you should see a right triangle. Right angled triangle is our. So wherever you see right angled triangle will come into picture. Even you can divide any triangle into right angled triangle and do. That's why finite element analysis came into existence, which is higher order mathematics and mechanics. But right angled triangle means this is a right angle triangle. True or not? Yes. ABC. Okay. So always now naming of things should be different. So I call this angle as angle B equal to 90 degree, right angled triangle. Okay, and BC is our base. AB becomes our altitude, you know, and AC becomes, and you have our Pythagoras theorem. Yeah. Why important? What is it? Pythagoras theorem states. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Amma. This you know. No need to explain again. Let's come back here. Just we are changing the names. Whenever we find one angle called as theta, we always represent angle by theta. Angle is equal to theta. Degrees. Actually, radians is the SI unit, but we call it as degrees currently. Radians is actually SI unit is radians. For angle, radians. The SI unit. But we use SI unit for conventionally as degrees. Because degrees is not actually the units. But in our protractor, everywhere degree. Okay. For that's why I am showing theta degrees. So let us angle theta. Okay. So this theta, the side which is corresponding to it is always known as that base side. Na? We always call it as adjacent side. And which is opposite to that angle which it is facing is called See, opposite side, and this is called as hypotenuse. This is always hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is hypotenuse only. No change. Naming just is like this. So there were some relationship. There is a relationship between lengths and angles. Why this was required? Lengths and angles relationship. Why? Because similarity of triangles is there. You want to prove similarities. What you take? Angles and lengths only, na? You want to prove that it is. You can go to my. Oh, that recorded session is not there. Okay. You can see when I taught similar triangles, meeku gurtundochu especially. When I taught, I was telling what is the difference between similarity and congruence. We call this symbol as congruence, this as similar. I draw three triangles. I say A, B, C, E, F, G, P, Q, R. Okay. But this is L, this is 2L. This is 2L. This is 2L. These are two also same.
Angle same.
It's opposite angles. All the three angles are equal. Equilateral triangle. And also these three angles are also same for everyone. Then tell me which are similar, which are congruent. Which are congruent?
ABC और PQR similar है और ABC और EFG congruent.
And EFG and ABC, PQ are also similar. Similar. So there are always for anything there are two things. One is side, another is angle. For triangle there are only two terms, side and angle. Okay. If both are equal, both cases are satisfied.
Congruent.
Both are true. Then it is congruence. If any of the one fails, similar.
Then A book
This you write in your physics only or maths you are writing?
Audition.
Audition में लिख रहे हो? लिख लो. Okay, audition में notes रास्ता रास्कोंడి. ఎక్కడైనా మీ ఇష్టం. No issue. But this will be throughout in the YouTube lecture. So one more important thing, if angles change but length doesn't change. Angles are different but angles are different but lengths are same. Not possible, because angles are same means lengths will also be same. So always our priority is more for so precedence more. So this should always be true. Then only similar also. Otherwise they are not similar. This condition also fails. Clear? Okay, let's come back to our topic. These all things are additional stuffs. Okay. So what is happening? So there are relationships. So the relationships were given by sine theta. Sine theta is given by sine of an angle theta is given by opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite length? AB by AC. Cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, which is given by adjacent into BC divided by AC. Now tan theta, which is also called as sin theta by cos theta, which is actually nothing but opposite by adjacent, is nothing but AB by BC. This is more vigorously used because hypotenuse aerial length is not there, na linear lengths are there. That's why measurable quantities. That's why tan theta is more important.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు అవి డివైడ్ చేశాక వచ్చేది యాంగిల్ లేదా లెంత్?
ఈ రెండు డివైడ్, ఇఫ్ యూ డివైడ్ దీస్ టూ యూ విల్ గెట్ ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ tan theta. Ratios.
ఓకే.
You get ratios.
ఓ
That ratios, if you do inverse, means theta inverse, theta equal to tan inverse of ratio value. That angle you will get.
ఆహా ఓకే.
You are getting?
इनवर्स रेशियो का ना?
Inverse करने से, ratio का inverse करने से you will get the angle. Inverse means not 1/a, वो नहीं है inverse.
साइन?
No, there are some formulas for that. I will tell you. Once we'll complete all the formulas, then I will tell you. Next tan theta हो गया ना. Next sin का opposite is cosec. This is 1 by sin equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos hypo by adjacent. Tan का opposite है cot. 1 by tan is equal to adjacent by opposite. These are the formulas. Okay, I will tell you. There are ratios, like one table will be there. In the table you will be having values at 0 degree. Listen here. You are asked your doubt, I will explain. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. There are ratios. మీకు చెప్పాను లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ రేషియోస్ ఫర్ సైన్. సైన్ 0 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సైన్ 30 ఈక్వల్ టు 1 బై సైన్ 30 ఈక్వల్ టు హాఫ్. సైన్ 45 ఈక్వల్ టు 1 బై √2. సైన్ 60 ఈక్వల్ టు √3/2. సైన్ 90 ఈక్వల్ టు 1. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కాస్ట్ టేబుల్ విల్ కమ్. ओके, कॉस्ट टेबल हाउ टू डू. कॉस्ट टेबल इसका रिवर्स. 1 इधर लिखो, √3/2 इधर लिखो, 1/√2 सेम नीचे आएगा, 1/2 इधर लिखो, 0 इधर. दैट्स व्हाई cos and sin are opposite to each other. इसीलिए cos wave is going means 90 डिग्री फेज शिफ्ट के साथ sin wave is propagating. Okay, now this if you divide these two, tan will come. Divide 0/1. sin by cos है కదా, 0/1 0. 1/2 into √3/2. This is √3/2. It is how much? 1/√3. 1. These two division √3. These two division not defined because 0 not denominator. So these are the values. Now if the value of BC by AB comes cos के लिए हाफ आया, then what is the angle means?
60. आहा మరి వేరే बीच में आते हैं एंगल्स?
एंगल्स हमेशा 0 to 90 के बीच में ही आएंगे.
नहीं मतलब
कुछ भी आएंगे ना उसको हम एडजस्ट कर देंगे 90 के बीच में. ऑलवेज cos 180 came, for example cos 180 came, it will be equal to cos 0 because इसका opposite क्या है 0.
हाँ ओके.
What is cos 0? If this side 1, opposite side -1.
ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఆ రేషియోస్ లో రాకపోతే
వస్తాయి, అందులోనే వస్తాయి. ఆ రేషియో లేనివి
30, 45, 60, 90 లోనే వస్తాయా?
ఖచ్చితంగా వాటిలోనే వస్తాయి. ఫర్ యువర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ దట్ ఓన్లీ విల్ కమ్, అంతకుమించి రావు. we use this standards only. These are the standards actually. There are √15 degree and 22.5 degrees also there. I'm not saying not there. अब इसका भी आधा करो, 15 डिग्री मतलब 1/2 का हाफ, 1/4 will be that value. ऐसे आएगा. Okay, that is not required actually. It will not come actually. Okay.
तो कौन सा वाला साइन है, कौन सा वाला कॉस है? एंगल नहीं उस डायग्राम में.
Sin theta, it's a value, it's a ratio.
हाँ तो कौन सा वाला है?
कौन सा वाला मतलब?
कौन सा एंगल है?
Angle is one only. For those angles only, these are the ratios between lengths. You are not understanding. See, this won't be represented here.
हाँ
These are the values for finding out. Now I will tell you example. You are having a triangle like this. Okay, you have theta
हाँ
angle given.
हाँ
You have to find all the lengths. How you will find out?
अच्छा लेंस पता लगाने हैं
So that for that only na thetas are there. Sin thetas or cos
एंगल को
thetas.
नहीं लगाए पता लगाए
Angle you know already. Why again you will find out angle?
अच्छा एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी
Ah, you have angle sum property, reflexive angle properties for finding angles.
अच्छा ये सिर्फ लेंस के लिए
For finding lengths, these are required. Only in right angle triangle provided. If lengths are given, finding angles.
हाँ तब क्या
Length है ना?
तो एंगल
The AB and BC you have na, you will find angle na ratio. Sin theta you will find out. By that theta you will find.
वाला हाँ
Array, I will tell you. I will tell you. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. Let us assume. You want to find angles. You want to find theta. You don't know that is that value. Okay. Now what you do? You ये भी नहीं बताया बस 2 ही बताया बस 3 और 4 बताया. Then what you know? You know opposite and adjacent values. Opposite and adjacent is in tan. So you will write tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent 3 by 4. So what is equal to theta? Theta equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. In the chart you will have a chart. In the chart you will see 3 by 4 value का है उसका angle वो angle theta equal to this much angle. Calculator will give exact values actually. Theta inverse.
होगा कुछ यार यहाँ पे खुद याद कर
उतना stage ये सब these all are not included in your syllabus. Currently in 10th class also. Okay.
इतना बड़ा चार्ट लेके
Why I am telling is just to know them these things. Next, what is the important thing that I want to tell from here is when I use in physics any graph and a value going here and we are having some y card y and x here. See, very important point. You are going one parameter and this is called a bar. Okay, put it like this.
हाँ
Projectors. These are projector on x-axis. So you can see to find these values, these vector values, how to find? How to find? So here we become 90 degree, make it 90 degree. This we become theta. Now you can find now.
लेंस ही पता
Now sin theta equal to, if let us assume that this is vertical na.
हाँ
This vertical is also here also na same na.
हाँ तो सेम
So this we call it as a vertical, and this we call it as a horizontal because this is horizontal na. This is here. To find the point, location of point. So sin theta equal to, now you take sin theta. Sin theta equal to a vertical by a
हाँ हाँ हाँ
opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is a vertical and hypotenuse is a. Now you have a vertical equal to a sin theta. Multiply a sin theta. A already you know na, a will be given in the question. A vertical and horizontal only you are finding. For that case, so always vertical component is a sin theta. Now horizontal cos theta. Cos theta is how much? Cos theta is AH by A, which is equal to A horizontal equal to A cos theta. That's why I always tell in physics horizontal component cos theta, vertical component sin theta. So here, from here it is derived. You're getting? For that sense only I am explaining all these topics. Now what you do to find this? If this is the, if you think now to prove one more important thing I want to prove. What is this? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square na?
हाँ
AC square, A square equal. There is one formula known as sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is one formula. Equal to 1. See, opposite by hypotenuse whole square, adjacent by hypotenuse whole square. Proof देखो, proof दिखा रहा हूँ. Proof sin square theta opposite by hypotenuse whole square, adjacent by hypotenuse whole square equal to 1. पता नहीं अभी छोड़ दो. What is opposite square plus adjacent square divided by hypotenuse square? What is opposite plus adjacent? Opposite plus adjacent square? Hypotenuse square.
हाँ ओह ओके
by hypotenuse square. Cutting 1.
Okay.
This formula is there in your syllabus in trigonometry. Okay, very important formula. Similarly, we will prove that here. See here, now a bar, you want a you want equal to a vertical square plus a horizontal square, right? So what is a vertical square? A sin theta, a sin square theta plus a square cos square theta. A square, na? A square equal to a square into sin square theta plus cos square theta. This will become, these two will get cancelled, 1 equal to this also 1.
పంపించమని
Aha, okay.
వాళ్ళ చెల్లి బాగా అలా చేసేస్తుందంట అక్క ఒంటి
Okay.
బాగాలేదంట వాళ్ళ చెల్లికి
Okay, okay.
అర్జెంట్ గా పంపండి చెప్పండి
Okay. 1. Proved? Oh, 2 minutes. Sir. Okay.
ఫోన్ పెట్టేస్తా
Sir. Clear ना?
రబ్బర్
देखा? Prove हो गया?
అన్నయ్య కాసేపు ఫ్యాన్ పెట్టకపోయినా అంత పెట్టేస్తున్నాడు
స్వెట్ అది
పెట్టుకుపోయావా
పర్ల వద్దు
క్లాస్ ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ అయింది
8:30కి స్టార్ట్ చేసాం క్లాస్. రీజన్ అంటే కాల్స్ మీద కాల్స్, గ్యాప్ లేకుండా.
ఓన్లీ ఏదైనా ఒక టాపిక్ ఫినిష్ చేస్తాయి
ఈ టాపిక్స్. నెక్స్ట్ డెరివేటివ్స్. దేర్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ కాల్డ్ as derivatives. Derivatives and integrals I will tell, and then what happens is now there is a big wire, length wire. You don't know how to calculate that for. You can't, because it's in-dimensional. So if we break it into small parts, can't you do? Because all are very small straight lines. Now you are able to calculate. Similarly, for a big thing we divide into small parts and we call it as a dx, derivative parts. Derivative means chota. Derivative. Okay? And these small derivatives we find, one derivative we find. Now you want to check a lot. सब्जी मंडी में गया, सब्जी देख रहे हो, एक सब्जी सेलेक्ट करके ना बाकी पूरा ले लोगे, right ना? One thing you will check. Now tomato, this is good. Okay, these all are good. Right ना? We go with assumption like that ना? चावल is there. चावल थोड़ा ऐसे देख के हाँ बस बहुत है, ये पूरा अच्छा है, लेके जाओ. सब पूरा टेस्ट नहीं कर रहे ना? Something you are testing and you are giving a remark that all are good. Same. Okay, so here derivatives is first you do derivative, you check for each small part and then integrate. Integrate means summation of all the parts, sigma. So derivative we give it as dx. So the formula for d by dx is or dx, x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. This is the formula. Remember this formula. Okay, for integration also there is one formula. For integration the formula is d of integration. Integral is represented by like this, like rho. Integral which have limits 0 to some limit n, x power n dx. X means variable, n is power. Okay, variable, x variable के साथ derivate कर रहे. Its formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. These are the two important integration and differentiation formulas. Both are opposite to each other. Derivative मतलब तोड़ना, integration मतलब जोड़ना. Okay, so now if you see here, I am giving some examples. Y equal to f of x. Y equal to f of x. Let us take one expression, x square plus 2x is the expression. You want to derivate it. First one derivative, single derivative means y dash. Okay, y means dy by dx. Want to do dy by dx. What is dy by dx of it? Means d of x square plus 2x by dx. What is the derivative I told? So x power n equal to n into x power n. So x square you have to do derivative first. Individual, breaking terms. X square का derivative क्या है? n into x power 2 into x power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? 2x.
हाँ
1 na?
हाँ 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 ओके
So it is 2x plus x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? एक वैल्यू कम, 1 कांस्टेंट. So 2x plus 2. x डेरिवेटिव x power 1. 1 into x power 1 minus 0. 1 into x power 0. X power 0 is 1, so 1. So only 1. This is 1 and this we have constant multiplied with 2. Never derivate constants. Constants are non-derivable, non-integrable also. Okay, this is, you understood now? Again you want to do derivative. One y double dash d square y by dx square. That means d of 2x plus 2 by dx. Constant derivative 0. 2x का derivative 2. So answer is 2. x का ना, x is 1 ना, this is 1. So answer 2. 2 का derivative नहीं हो सकता. Variable is not there to derivate. So 0. Next integration I will show. Integration of this f of x. Integral of f of x. How much? x square का मतलब x square का integration how to do? x into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 3. You are understanding? See here. Integration 2 plus 1 n plus 1 2 plus 1 divided by 3. So x square x cube divided by 3 first plus 2 into x का integration x 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 is 2 x square by 2. That is the integration, single integration. This is how you do integration and differentiation. Those are also very important. Other than this, will not touch much in physics and chemistry. For calculus part, 10th class level, will not touch more. Enough? Understand? Okay, thank you. So our sister Kirchhoff's law will start tomorrow and heating effect tomorrow.
tomorrow
Monday. Tomorrow we'll have holiday. Take rest. Okay, thank you.